Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix login issues on the Slack mobile app quickly and easily. If you're stuck on the login screen or can't access your workspace, follow these simple steps. First, make sure you're using the correct email address linked to your Slack account. Double-check the spelling before trying again. If your workspace uses Google or Apple Sign-In, make sure you're selecting the correct sign-in option. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause login problems or a something went wrong error. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try logging in again. If the problem continues, try clearing the Slack app cache. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Slack, and tap Storage. Then, tap Clear Cache. After that, make sure the Slack app is updated. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for Slack, and install any available update. If you're still unable to log in, uninstall and reinstall the app. This can fix problems caused by corrupted app files. Also, if your workspace uses two-factor authentication, make sure you're entering the correct verification code before it expires. If you're waiting for a login email, check your spam or junk folder too. And that's how you can fix Slack login issues on your mobile phone. If this video helped you, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.